I love their whare. I love the whare Whakairo at the Wānanga. At a tough time last year in life in general, it was the most welcoming place that I could have found myself in. I felt that the tāne, the kai Whakairo there knew what it meant to be coming along as a wahine into the whare, and they just embraced me, treated me equally. I still was given the same growlings as everybody else. But I was given awhi and manaki right from day one. For me, the guiding matapono is the ukaipōtanga. I know that from where I'm from, for me to carve a marae is not what will happen. But as a mother of 3 sons, it's them who might be able to carve one for our mokopuna. One day I will be an artist and put my own wahine perspective into them. I went into this though wanting to just receive as a tauira and make sure that I did things exactly as Matua Chris and Matua Brian taught me from whatever perspective they were teaching, which is he tāne. I just did what I was told the first time. And where I could, I would put in my perspective in it, my wahine, where I could sneak something in. Once I did this piece, it opened my eyes to what I see when I see whakairo at the marae or any other whakairo. All of a sudden, you can see the stories that are in there.